Alright, good morning everybody, and today we're doing something completely different on this channel than you've ever seen before. Oh, this is my friend Derek. I texted him this morning. I haven't seen him in like 2 years, and because I had a kid and
life.
I use that as an excuse to be a bad friend. But so what are we doing today, Derek?
About to get hay on some off-road skating. I got these new Power Slide 3x150 setups.
These things are
millimeters.
These things are gnarly.
Got these from this guy who owns a shop in Malaysia. His name is Sukit Chi, who got them from Ricardo Lino, which is a favorite rollerblader of mine. Huge guy, inspires a community. So we're gonna give these things a try. I had a 2-wheel setup before, but now I'm gonna give it a shot with a 3-wheel setup and hopefully get some.
And this place we found. This is the first time you've been here.
Yep, first time.
And this place is gnarly. There's a lot. There's some crazy stuff here. So we're gonna take some video and see how these work, and hopefully get a good some good clips. And you know, I've filmed Derek quite a bit in the past, and I filmed a couple great crashes. So. Alright, so this is the first time Derek's been on this, so he's just gonna do a couple practice runs. Let's see how it goes. Alright, so we just talked with the guy who maintains this whole area. It's pretty cool. What's the Facebook? Avalanche?
Japanese Gulch.
Japanese Gulch.
Japanese Gulch dirt bike rank.
Yeah, so he said this is the first time he's seen somebody out here with skates, so that's pretty cool. But this place is sweet. Dude. Oh, dude, you got that easy.
Sick.
Nice, dude. That was dope. Whew. Oh. These things are gnarly.
Yeah, did it.
We did it. Oh. All right, so that ended up being super sick. We had no idea what we were coming to find here, and it was awesome. Definitely gonna be back and do more, but got some good clips.
Yeah.
And a perfect day out. We couldn't ask for anything better. It's been horrible around here, and surprisingly it wasn't muddy much at all.
Thought it was gonna rain today.
Yeah.
Blue skies today.
I know, it's perfect.
Day. No people out here.
So anyways, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. Hit that like button, comment, all that stuff. And yeah, see you guys next time.